Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on Unibet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in unibet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Unibet website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your credentials if you haven't logged into your account already. Once you have been logged into your account, click on your account icon at the top right, and when you click on the drop down menu, you will see account option. Click on this and you will be taken into your account settings. Now from the settings page, click on bonuses and you will see the refer a friend option. Click on refer a friend and now you will be shown the process of referring. Click on accept and now you will be shown a link that you can use, which anyone can click on in order to accept your invitation. Click on the copy option. Now you can send this link to any of your friends, and when they click on this link, they will be able to sign up to the Unibet platform, and as soon as they sign up and verify their account, you will receive your bonus as well, and your friend will also be invited. You can follow this process and send the link to as many people as you want, and you will be able to invite them and gain a bonus for yourself as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends on Unibet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.